basically we'll give it a quick polish, we'll wipe our paint into the scratch, and then we'll polish off the excess, and then hopefully that will just take your eye off the scratch and it'll be ready for sale. So.
But also, we're just getting us to do it all the time. You probably find yourself doing jobs you couldn't do.
Okay, so basically what we do, we just get the paint, because this is silver, we haven't actually got to make a colour. So we just pour a little bit of silver onto the tissue, and then just rub it into the scratch. Alright, so we've left it a few minutes, so we're just going to stick a bit of this polish back on. It's nice and hard now. It does take a little bit of, it takes a little bit of, you know, you've got to put a little bit of pressure on. So we put the polish on, but you do have to, it's not like a light polish, you do have to sort of give it a little bit of pressure. Because when this paint is dry, it is, you know, like rock solid. Also, try not to stay in one place at a time. You know, you do have to generate a little bit of heat, but you know, don't go too mad because you don't want to break through or burn the paint. So. Okay, so like that's basically it. You know, it's still a very fine line scratch, but you know, it's very, you know, hard to see it. So for a customer walking around the car now, you know, the whiteness of the scratch has gone. You know, it's sort of coloured in silver, and basically that's what this paint does. It basically will take your eye off a scratch, so the car will be ready for sale. So. And always remember, we always put a wax over, every time we finish the scratch, always get, it can be any kind of wax, but just make sure you just put a wax over it, just to give it like a final seal, and it just finishes it off nice. So, but there you go, that's, you know, a scratch, silver car, one of the hardest colours, and then, you know, we've taken the eye off it, and it's just another good job.